Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on absolute mode and remove recommendation of movies and shows from the home screen. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles, set account, go down, and here you can see absolute mode. Let me enable, set turn on. See, now I have enabled absolute mode. Let me go to home screen. See, in home screen now you can see only the apps, icon of apps installed in the device. It's not showing any recommendation of movies and shows. So this way we can turn on absolute mode and remove all recommendation of movies and shows from the home screen. So you can try this, and if you want to go back to previous home screen, you can again go to all settings, accounts and profiles, select account, go down, turn off this, then go to home screen, then please wait, it has to load. See, now you can see recommendations of movies and shows. See, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.